Now, one way I frequently use to switch between Node.js version is not by switching the snap version, but using a utility called NVM, which is called Node Version Manager. So just go to your browser and search for install NVM. And the first link which will appear here will be from this GitHub repository, which is github.com/nvm-sh. Click on this NVM repository, go down, and here you will see installing and updating. You can either copy this command or this command, both will install the NVM, right? So you just need to copy one of these commands. I'm going to use the curl command. You can also use the wget command for your Ubuntu operating system. And I'm going to go to the terminal, paste this command, and then press enter, which is going to directly install NVM. You don't need to do anything. Once NVM is installed, you can just write NVM here. And right now it's not recognize NVM because I haven't read this text here. It says close and open your terminal to start using NVM and run the following command. For example, you can run this NVM dir command for setting the NVM directory. So I'm going to open the new terminal. Control Shift T will open the new terminal. Here you can write NVM, and you can see NVM command is recognized now. Now here I want to check the versions of NVM, right? So now using NVM, I want to check the versions of Node, right? So let me clear the terminal. So first of all, here for NVM, I'm going to write NVM, and I want to list the current versions of Node.js, right? I can just write NVM ls, and you can see it says this arrow and redirect it to system. System means whatever version of Node.js is installed on your system, NVM recognizes it, and the current version which is set for NVM is this system version. You can also list the versions which are available remotely. So you can just write list and then remote. So list hyphen remote here, and then press enter, and it's going to give you the list of all the versions which you can install using NVM. Let's say I want to install the version, let's say 18.10.0. Right now the version is 18.16.0, right? So let me show you the Node version, which is 18.16.0. And let's say I want to install the version different than 18.16.0. I can just write NVM install and the version I want to install, right? So I will go with the last LTS version, which is a version 16.20.0. I can copy this version and then paste here. Okay, so NVM install and then paste the version, and you can see V is added in front of this version. So just copy it from here, press enter, and it's going to install the version 16. And then NVM makes it really easy to switch between these node versions, right? Once again, I can just write NVM ls, and it shows me now two versions. One is 16.20.0 and other is the system version, and the current selected version is 16.20.0. So I can just write node hyphen version and then press enter, and you can see now the current version is 16.20.0. Now in order to change this version, you can only use this version or the system version. So in order to use a version, you need to install it first. So write NVM use. So right now I have 16.20.0 or system. So I can switch to the system, and I can copy and paste it here and then press enter. And now I'm using the system version, which is 18.16.0. So I can once again give this command, and now I'm using 18.16.0. So I don't need to run the snap update or downgrade command to switch between node. I can use NVM to switch between node versions, right?